So in this short video, I'm going to show you how to draw straight lines from the equations in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. So we see we're going to do two examples here. So we've got 3x plus 2y plus 12 equals 0 as our first equation to draw. So the method here is what I call the let the x equal 0, let the y equal 0 method. And what that will do is enable us to find 2 points on the line, and then we can draw through those 2 points and get the line, because we only need 2 points. So if I let x equal 0 in this equation, then the 3 zeros are 0, so that disappears, and we get the equation 2y plus 12 equals 0. So if we solve that equation, we say 2y equals minus 12, and then y equals minus 12 divided by 2, which equals minus 6. Then we know that when x is 0, y is minus 6. So minus 5 minus 6, so when x is 0, y is minus 6. Now we'll look at when y is 0. So when y equals 0, we get 3x, the 2y disappears, 3y, so we've got 3x plus 12 equals 0. 3x plus 12 equals 0, so the 2y disappears. So we have this equation to solve. So we have 3x equals minus 12, x equals minus 12 divided by 3, which is minus 4. So we now have the next score that we have is minus 4, 0. So we can go to minus 4, 0. So we found where a graph cuts both the axes. And to finish, bring this up. Let's go over that again as that was out of shot. So I plotted the point minus 4, 0. We previously plotted the point 0, minus 6. So we now simply draw our line through those points. And that's the first example that's been up there. Now go to the second example. So we've got, I'm going to actually change this. No, I'll leave it as it is. So 4x minus 3y plus 24 equals 0. So let's let x equal 0 to start with. This means minus 3y plus 24 equals 0. So move the 24 to the other side. It was minus 24. If you have a minus here and a minus there, you can cancel them, or you can do it like this, minus 24 over minus 3 and cancel them there. The answer is plus 8. Now if you're doing this sort of work in a calculator exam, use your calculator if you're not sure on dividing two negative numbers. You'll find that it comes to plus 8. So we've got x equals 0 and y equals 8. Now let's make the y 0. So if y equals 0, then 4x plus 24 equals 0. So we have 4x equals minus 24. So we have x equals minus 24 divided by plus 4, which is minus 6. So we have when x is minus 6, y is not. So we have the point here, we have the point there. So the second equation, this was the first equation, which might be equation 1. The second equation goes there. So really, to do this work, you have to be comfortable in solving simple equations with one unknown and handling negative numbers. So if you simplify 2 points on line, and you find them by making x equals 0 and by making y equals 0, and that helps you find the coordinate axes. Incidentally, in this particular one, we do have a point of intersection because both graphs go through the point minus 4, 0. So the numbers minus 4, 0 will work here. 3 times minus 4 is minus 12. Plus 2 zeros plus 12 is 0. So that's minus 12 plus 12 is 0. If we take it over to our next equation, 4 times minus just 1 second. So we've got 4 times minus 4. I'm not sure I've done this correctly. 4 times minus 4 is minus 16. Minus 3 zeros plus 24. Have I made a mistake in this? It's just, I think I might have made mistakes. We've got minus 6 naught, minus 6 naught on the second equation. So I think I've made an error. Yes, I have. So it's minus 6 naught. Now you'll see that in checking my work, okay, I realised that I've actually plotted this in the wrong place. I plotted the minus 6 naught on minus 4 naught. When I took the point minus 4 0, tried to see if it worked in here, with minus 4 times 4 plus 24, that does not equal 0. So I've realised I've made a mistake. Now it's no harm for you to see that, because this can easily occur sometimes. So by checking my work, I picked up the mistake, and I just didn't plot this correctly. So it should have been naught. It should have been minus 6 naught as I plotted. So the plot would be there, and it would be through there. And that would be the correct part for that line. So we'll just write this out here. And those are the correct lines for 1 and 2. They do intersect here, but there's a fraction of points, and we won't go into that on this occasion. Okay, so that's drawing straight lines from their equations in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0.